Hello and welcome to Parrot's training videos for the AnafiAi. In this video, we'll walk through cameraman mode, one of the mission modes found in the FreeFlight 7 application. To begin, find a suitable place to fly, complete all your pre-flight checks, and take off the aircraft. To access cameraman mode, select the Missions tab from the bottom left corner of FreeFlight 7, then select Cameraman. You'll notice that the system automatically recognizes certain objects like cars and people. However, if you'd like to select your own object, you can simply drag your finger across the screen and draw a box. In cameraman mode, the drone will act as the cameraman while you are in charge of being the pilot and flying the aircraft. You have the ability to stay locked on your target while you maneuver around for the perfect angle. To exit cameraman mode, simply hit the red stop button in the bottom right hand corner. Then you can select a new object or move on to another mission. Cameraman mode is a revolutionary tool that not only helps us get great cinematic shots, but can assist us in manual inspections. This tool can allow us to select individual assets to further inspect. Cameraman mode allows us to track both moving and stationary objects. More importantly, it allows us to get the perfect shot every time. The cameraman tool can be used across the industry for many different operations. Feel free to try this out on your own as you go and fly. You should now have a good understanding of cameraman mode. In the next video, we'll walk through flight plan mode. Thank you for tuning in to Parrot's training videos for the AnafiAi.